actor Gary Busey is back in court today. He is accused of inappropriately touching 3 women during the annual Monster Mania convention. The women claim he touched them during photo shoots.
That for every case of nursing home abuse that is reported, up to 23 go unreported. It's one of the many sad truths of elder abuse. It's a type of abuse that is insufficiently investigated by government agencies, is unrecognized, underfunded, and for many is undefined. At its core, elder abuse is any form of mistreatment that results in harm or loss to an older person. To help prevent elder abuse, we need to understand the different types of abuse and how to recognize the signs.
He does deny those allegations. There he is. There's a picture of him. We want to go back into court now for the very start of that hearing.
Hold up. It was a 5-count indictment, Your Honor.
So he's pleading guilty to count 1, so the remaining counts 2 through 5 are being dismissed, right?
Those will be dismissed at sentencing, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's a term of probation fines.
Wait a minute.
Mr. Busey, we're in a courtroom. Although we are Zoom, you can't eat or drink in my court, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Now, Mr. Zwillman, those terms are stated by the prosecutor. It sounds like you are reserving your right to make what's called the Warren argument regarding the probationary agreement that's going to be entered. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now, the other terms as stated by the prosecutor, are they correct regarding this colloquy, this guilty plea?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Busey, please state your name and raise your right hand for me.
State your name. State your name.
State your name, sir.
My name is William Gary Busey, B-U-S-E-Y.
Okay, do you, sir, swear or affirm any testimony you give the court shall be the truth?
What? I'm sorry?
Do you swear or affirm that any testimony you give the court shall be the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I confirm that.
Okay. Now, it is my understanding you wish to plead guilty to a 4th-degree sexual contact, criminal sexual contact. Is that correct?
Am I pleading guilty?
Yes.
No.
Something ain't right.
Yes.
Okay.
I am?
No.
Okay.
No, that's not how it works. Listen to me, Mr. Busey.
Huh?
Did you talk to your attorney about how you want to handle your case today?
Yes.
Yes.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
But I don't want you to say yes, and I don't want anyone to tell you what to say. You need to say it on your own,
Still
sir.
with us, criminal defense attorney Ryan Brown. He was laughing. Busey seems okay with this whole thing, but I feel like I also hear somebody behind him speaking in his ear to say how to answer.
No.
Okay, let's do a factual basis, counsel.
Yeah, it sounds to me like there's somebody in the room with him, kind of helping him through questions. Sounds like somebody might just be feeding him the answers, which is something that a lot of judges may balk at.
Yeah, I would agree with you. Some judges would say, you come back another day once you get this under control, and I know you're the one making the decision. Now, let's head back to New Jersey, where actor Gary Busey is back in court today.
Say, hold up.
To 1 count of sexual criminal contact.
Wait a minute.
After he inappropriately touched a woman at a convention.
Something ain't right.
Especially considering he's 81 years old. Go back in for more of the hearing.
What was that?
Your attorney's going to ask you some questions for a factual basis for the charge you're pleading guilty to, okay?
Yes, I'm ready.
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
Okay.
Was there a photo shoot set up where fans of Gary Busey, William Gary Busey, could have a photograph taken with you?
Yes. Yes.
And during that session, you agree, do you not? You do agree. Say, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. That you inappropriately touch the buttocks of an adult female over her clothing. Is that correct?
Yes.
That ain't right.
And you understand now, and you knew then, that was not appropriate, it was wrong, correct?
Yes, very much so. Yes.
And you want Judge Blue to accept your acknowledgement of this particular incident. Is that right?
Yes, sir. It is the truth.
I have nothing else, Judge.
Is this satisfactory to the state?
Just that we identified the female victim by the initials AD. Would it be fair to say that you later learned that victim had those initials?
Mr. Busey, the victim is identified with the initials of AD that you said you touched the buttocks of. Do you agree with that, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Keith, I don't have the indictment in front of me. There's no gratification or anything. This is a touching, right?
Well,
I'm looking
Your
at the
Honor,
indictment.
I think that is under the statute part of the purpose of the touching. So if counsel could address that specifically, that would be helpful as well.
Mrs. Willman, Mrs. Willman, you need to fill in the record more as to what his purpose was when he touched her buttocks. That's what I thought. I don't have the indictment in front of me, but there's something missing from the factual.
All right, I just wanted to indicate also, Judge, that the actual victim's name is in the indictment. We're not using that for this purpose today.
No, we use the initials. That's what we use, the initials.
Mr. Busey, I just want to ask you that you understand that it's only a violation of the law that you could plead guilty
Let me hear you say, that ain't right.
if you intended to gratify yourself by committing that act. I've told you that, correct?
Correct what?
Let me hear you say, that ain't right.
The touching of the buttocks was done for your gratification.
No, I was looking, my eyes were on the camera lens. I moved my hands up and grazed her buttocks without thinking and without looking.
That's not a factual basis. That's not a guilty plea.
Let me hear you say, that ain't right. That ain't right. It ain't right.
What?
Mr. Busey, I've advised you, and we agreed earlier, that in order to plead guilty, you have to truthfully acknowledge.
I truthfully acknowledge
that you did
This is a Zoom hearing, and it turns out he has pled guilty.
Am I pleading guilty?
Yes.
No.
Taking everybody's pension and nobody going to jail.
That's some bullshit. Ain't that some bullshit?
Meanwhile, you or I, we steal a Big Mac with cheese. Next thing you know, we on death row.
The examples of financial abuse are numerous. This type of abuse preys on the vulnerability of our elderly loved ones. The financial abuse we usually see may come from hurried caregivers, scams, or even family members themselves. Elder abuse prevention is improving with awareness, knowledge, and action. However, more needs to be done.